I'll guide you step by step through how to create an AWS free tier account without running into unexpected charges. If you're looking to start learning about cloud computing, or you want to build a project for free and you need to create an Amazon AWS free tier account, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we get started, let's understand what the AWS free tier is. It's a way for new customers to explore and use a wide range of Amazon Web Services for free. This includes 3 types of offers: services that are always free, services that are free for the first 12 months, and short-term free trials. Now that you know what it is, let's create your account. First, navigate to the official AWS website at aws.amazon.com. Click to create an AWS account button. You'll be asked to provide your email address and a password for your account, as well as a name for your AWS account. This name is for your own use and can be changed later. Next, you'll need to fill in your contact information, including your full name, address, and phone number. This information is required for legal and billing purposes, so make sure it's accurate. Now, you'll be asked to enter your credit or debit card details. While the Amazon AWS free tier is free, this step is essential for identity verification and to cover any costs you may incur if you exceed the free tier limits. Rest assured, you will not be charged unless you go over these limits. To verify you're a real person, AWS will send a code to the phone number you provided. Enter the code on the screen to confirm your identity. This is a crucial security step to protect your account. You will be presented with different support plans. Make sure to choose the basic support free option. This plan is completely free and provides you with access to documentation, forums, and customer support for account and billing issues. Next, you'll review your information and confirm that you want to create the account. Once the process is complete, you'll be able to log into the AWS Management Console with your new credentials. Finally, you need to set up a billing alarm to avoid any unexpected charges. To do this, go to the AWS Billing Dashboard by clicking on your account name in the top navigation bar and then selecting Billing and Cost Management. Then set up a notification that will alert you via email if your monthly usage exceeds a certain amount, such as just $1. This is the single most important step to ensure you stay within the free tier limits. Even when done, I also recommend that you monitor your AWS usage and manage your resources to avoid charges. To regularly check your usage against the free tier limits, still on the Billing and Cost Management, locate the free tier section on the left-hand menu. This page provides a clear overview of your current usage for each service, showing you exactly how much you've consumed of your free allocation. Finally, a key habit to learn is terminating or deleting resources when you are no longer using them. Services like a running EC2 instance or an S3 bucket with stored data will continue to incur charges even when you are not actively using them. Make sure to go into the specific service console, such as EC2 or S3, to terminate your instances or delete your buckets once your project or test is complete. This simple habit will save you from any unwanted charges. To learn how to navigate the AWS Management Console and understand its core features, click to watch this video right here. Now that you've learned how to create an Amazon AWS free tier account without unexpected charges, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more AWS video tutorials. Thanks for watching.